Meanwhile, a new New York judge has temporarily halted proceedings against U.S. President-elect Donald Trump in the hush money case. This comes after the prosecution requested for a delay. They asked for a delay, they got a halt. Judge Juan M. Merchan has set the new date of hearing for November 19th. In his email, the prosecutor also pointed out the unprecedented nature of the situation after Trump's victory in the presidential polls. Trump's side had also petitioned the DA's office to agree to delaying the hearing. The judge was expected to rule whether Trump's conviction could be vacated due to a Supreme Court order in July on presidential immunity. Trump was scheduled for sentencing on the 26th of November. Now, in May this year, Trump became the first president former or sitting convicted of a crime.
So now Judge Juan Merchan is contemplating how to go forward. Does he dismiss the case? Does he delay it indefinitely, possibly 4 years until Trump is out of office? Or does he go forward with sentencing, something that could potentially be tied up in appeals and prolong the process as Trump is going again from private citizen to president of the United States?
A jury in Manhattan found him guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up a potential sex scandal. Trump, who pleaded not guilty, has vowed to appeal the verdict after sentencing. Now, since then, Trump has clinched an impressive victory against his Democratic rival Kamala Harris in the U.S. presidential elections by winning a clear majority in all 7 battleground states. For more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani sends us this report from New York.
The decision on whether or not to overturn Donald Trump's New York hush money conviction is delayed. Judge Juan Merchan has given Manhattan prosecutors and Donald Trump's legal team an additional week to figure out the next steps in the president-elect's hush money case after his recent re-election. At the heart of this case is how this delay introduces new questions about whether or not Donald Trump, despite being convicted in May, will actually face sentencing now that he has been re-elected. Donald Trump's position raises complex issues around presidential immunity and the limits of prosecuting a sitting president, which could make this case a key moment for interpreting the balance between legal accountability on the one hand and the office of the presidency on the other. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World as well.